Welcome to another Castelo construction project. This project shows the construction of an in-ground reinforced concrete pool from excavation to completion. Once the groundworks are complete, shuttering is used to define the walls and reinforcing iron is put in place. Suction tubes, jets, skimmers and light points are all fitted before the concrete is poured. Steps are constructed within the pool, then the whole pool area is rendered and treated ready to accept the liner. The liner is fitted and joined where necessary with welded heat joints. This pool is finished with a liner, but could just have easily been finished in mosaic. Next, the area around the pool is to be filled. No matter how well you pack the surrounding area, there's always a danger the ground will subside at some future time. To avoid this happening, we use a block and beam construction which sits on firm footings, which should prevent any such movement. As with most of the pools we construct these days, the water treatment is controlled by a fully automatic salt machine. These systems come with huge health benefits over conventional chlorine systems. The automatic salt machine and filters work on timers and do all of the hard work, allowing you to enjoy the pool. Finally, capping stones and slabs are fitted around the pool, creating an area to relax when you get out of the pool. The owner's reaction? Brilliant result, Kelvin. Well impressed.